Hey John, do you have a few minutes to talk?
Yes, Jane. I just finished checking my emails.
Great. Our company is testing a new software this week.
Oh, really? What kind of software is it?
It's a new tool based on artificial intelligence.
Wow. Are we using AI for project management now?
Exactly. It should help improve our daily productivity.
That sounds interesting. How does it actually work?
Well, it can automate our weekly data reports.
That's great news. Those reports take up too much time.
I know. It will save us hours every single week.
Will it change our current team workflow?
Not much. It just connects to your daily dashboard.
Okay. Is it difficult to learn how to use?
Not at all. The interface is very simple and clean.
Do I need to create a new account?
No, you can just log in with your corporate email.
Perfect. What about data security for our clients?
Don't worry. The IT department fully approved the platform.
That's good to know. Safety is always important.
Definitely. We're starting the pilot program tomorrow morning.
Should I invite the rest of the team?
Just send a quick message in our group chat.
All right. I will do that right after this call.
Thanks, John. There's a short training video too.
Oh, nice. Where can I find the link?
I'll email it to you in a few seconds.
Got it. I'll watch it before tomorrow morning.
Perfect. Let's see how it goes tomorrow then.
Sounds like a plan. Talk to you later, Jane.
Watch the next lesson on the end screen now.